On this episode, we will be telling you how to take this to that. Hello everyone, have you ever watched a building makeover before? Tag along and you'll see. I am Fumi Amunega Ajayi. I'm a property doctor. I am a building consultant and have a PhD in forensic accounting. I'm here to give you tips on how to acquire buildings, how to maintain buildings, and how to manage your buildings to help you save some money and to help you make more money. On this episode, we'll be making up the wall. Stay tuned. Let's look at the wall. The wall we brought down. Wow, this looks nice. Looking at this wall alone, it looks nice. You can see it's stronger, but let's know what it feels. I can hear something. Wow, this wall has been protected from damp rising. We used 9 inches concrete block and we've corrected all the cracks in this wall because we totally eliminated the cracks and we built a new wall. This wall is stronger from the kitchen and it can hold tiles now. So you see, this is safer. And by the time we finish with this wall, it will be looking very beautiful. So we'll see what the occupants of this house will tell us by the time we finish this wall. Now, this is the kitchen side of the wall. Let's go to the dining room side of the wall. Let's go. Yeah. Wow. This looks good too. Let me feel it. Same thing. The wall is stronger, even on this side as well, and you can see it's safer. When you sit down on the dining to eat, you look at beautiful wall, not something that will make you look uncomfortable. This is the mortar, and it's a mixture of sand and cement in a proportion of 1:3. Now the cement is 1 portion and the sand, the plaster sand, is 3 portions mixed together with water, and this is what we use to plaster the wall so that will give it a good finish. So let's go. Okay, so we're applying the mortar to the wall, then we'll start dressing it up. So we're doing it gently so that we have an even and clear surface. We have corrected the damp that was on the floor because of the damp. There was the rising damp. We've corrected it by the downproof course that we put there, and we raised the wall. Now we finished raising the wall. We dressed it on this side and on the kitchen side. This is the dining room side, and the wall has been raised and dressed. But because we just want to be sure that there will be no problem of rising damp tomorrow, we still want to apply a damp seal. So we're going to apply a damp seal to the bottom side of the block just to prevent it from coming up again. We're going to apply the damp seal there. So it's just so simple. You just spray it to the downside. Just try to do it on a straight line. This will prevent damp rising on this wall. Now we are painting the wall. here we are doing the conduit wiring on this wall. We found out that there was there was electrical problem here, and we are trying to correct the conduit wiring on this wall. Okay, we just started the tiling of the wall, and we're using a 25 by 40 mm tile on the wall. You're welcome.
Well done. Wow, this is beautiful.
Thank you.
You even changed the switch.
Yes, I did.
You're serious. Let me see the inside. You even painted it sharp. Oh.
And the other end, can you remember that end?
Yes, it's not very smooth and cleaner, more presentable. Right. Thank you. We are grateful.
So we treated the damp rising,
Okay.
and we put a damp seal at the bottom, so you don't have that rising damp problem again. Hello everyone, these are some of the members of my wonderful team that made this wall makeover possible. On my extreme left is the painter, Mazi, and you have the tiler. You can see his job here too. His name is Steven, and here is the electrician that made all the electrical work possible. His name is Austin, and I have another tiler because this work was really tedious. His name is Joe. Thank you for staying with us, and I hope you have learned one or two things on this episode. And also thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel for those of you who have subscribed to the YouTube channel. If you have not done so, please do so on the link below. Bye.